In this video, I'm going to show you how to link pages in Webflow. So firstly, open up Webflow and log into your account. And now select the website where you want to do the linking. So just open it up. And once you have opened it up here, so what we're going to do here, there is two ways how you can link it. Firstly, what we can do, click on this plus icon here, which is add element, click on it. And then from here, you can either scroll down, link it as a link block here, so you can click on it, okay, and then add this link block here. So in the URL, so once you add, so you can add the link block here, and then in the URL here you can type in where do you want to link it to, so whatever the page URL. So just whatever the URL is, the page URL, just type that in, and you can choose to whether open it in new tab. So if it is so, you can tap in this box here, and then you can leave it as it is. And if you want to additional settings, you can click on show all settings and then customize this further, okay. And then this link block, you can simply drag it around as well, so you can just move it around. If you don't want it to have it here, that's fine. Okay, that's one way of doing it. Another way is go back to the add element again, click on it, and this time instead of choosing link blocks, what we're going to do is we're going to click on text link. So when you click on text link here, a text link will be placed here. So same thing, the URL, you can just choose what URL you want to link it to, the page URL for your linkage, can do that. And then the text here, you can rename it. So for example, you can mention it as click here or follow here, so something that you can prompt the user to click it, okay. So anything, the text can be anything, okay, something like that. So these are the two ways how you can use how you can link pages within your website on Weblog.